Naka-start na to.
Wala na sa moment eh. Sige, game na. Singalong ha. Siguro na sa ulo mo na isover na ngayon.
Tikman mo. Tikman mo, Bin.
Tikmanan to, tikmanan session.
I would like to say hi to my mom. Diabetes.
Hinarangan ka ni Victor nun dyan eh.
I would like to say hi to
Sumisili pa rin. Sumisili pa rin si Prep.
Victor lumalabas eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Hi,
Ayan,
ma'am.
Prep.
Hi, Lola.
Pasok ang timple, no?
Wala, hinarangan ka ng braso ngayon.
Lulot ako ni JM.
Bumati ka muna ng bumati.
Mamamis ito, mamamis.
Sino ba gusto mong batiin?
Mga buo pa nga.
Hindi, okay par. Okay.
Hindi matamis.
Masarap pala pag nilalagay ng ano, no?
Sukal. Hindi talaga timpla doon, mga ano. Para.
One look and mess.
Lulot ako ni JM, itin mo lang ako. Pasok sa bahay. Tapos si Jollibee.
Nakita kasi yung Jollibee sa ano eh. Super.
Kala ko ba it's sober now? Na kayo pati naka-play oh.
Oh, say hi to ano, to the audience.
Autobots.
Hi.
Transform and roll out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yung galaw, medyo mabagal. Kasi chopping na siya. Pag binilisan mo,
Parang baguhan no?
ay sorry. Professional. Sorry man. Sorry. She comes up in every town, feel like a bee. Go to teen or something, just don't stop touching me. And I wait here another time, dropping out and getting.
Nakayuko na naman to si Prep.
She comes up another time that she really doesn't care. But a gal will keep time to the rhythm stick. There's one thing she don't dare. And so
Kaya lahat tayo ng moment.
drop the line and wanted to be free. Well, I've never really had a thing for that. It's everything I need and love. Don't ever understand. It's right here in our head. The lifeline of our love is over now. She wakes up from the deepest sleep, and that night through and through. She won't stop thinking on the days I'm back. There's one thing I'll do. It's over, back again, and it's morning the attack. But I can't stop finding reason to keep her coming back. And you don't ever understand. It's right here in our head. The outline of our love is over now. It's over I'll never be happier till you find the special days where you belong. And you won't ever be happier till you find the only way, till you find the only way back home. Don't ever understand. It's Ang tagal mo kasi.
Hindi nga nakabuelo si Alvin eh.
Panoorin na nga natin yan.
Sinabi ang Alvin yung may bumakas siya na
Hindi mo makabuelo eh.
yung tagal mo mago. Naiinip ako. Naiinip ako eh. Nagulat ako, kala ko yung nag... Pero kuha ni Ninyo, di ba? Kuha ni Ninyo. Inip ako eh, buhay na tagal.
Pero pasok.
Iniintay ko kasi siya eh. Hindi nakapagpigil eh.